Now we're going to assemble a truss system. The important thing to note is how fast this will go together. No. This truss model is an example of what can be used in ceilings, floors, bridges, and more. Lattice structures like these can be assembled without large equipment. They can be used to make high voltage towers that can be quickly assembled. Other types can passively tie a building together, reducing time and expense of bolting or welding. This is the complete assembly. Ta-da!